Hi guys. So you're going to be taking the Chapter 9 assessment. It is 2 parts. So you have Part 1. Part 1, I'm going to read you the directions at the top. Part 1 says, for each given quadratic equation, please indicate the best technique to use to solve for the zeros. Then provide the reason for your choice. You got to be specific. So the techniques you can choose from are graphing, square roots, factoring, complete the square, and the quadratic formula. Remember, this is open note. So here's the problems. You're going to look at the problem and say, oh, for that one, the best technique is pick the technique, and then tell me the reason why you chose that technique. And then do the same for question number 2. What's the best technique? Tell me the technique. What's your reason? So all of this needs to be filled out, the technique you used and the reason you would. You don't actually have to solve these. I just want you to look at it and go, oh, well, that one I would definitely use factoring, or that one I would use the quadratic formula, or that one I would use complete the square, or that one's definitely set up for taking the square root. I personally wouldn't use graphing on any of these, so graphing is not the technique I would pick. So that's part 1 of your assessment. Part 2 has only 5 questions. These 2 are exactly the same. I'm just having you solve with using different techniques. Graphing, and then square roots. And the bottom 3 are the exact same question as well. You're going to get the same answer every single time, but I'm asking you to use different techniques. So one technique is factor, one is complete the square, and one is the quadratic formula. I just want to see you use each technique. Even if it's the same answer, I want to see you use the different techniques. The directions on this part are questions 1 through 5. Solve each quadratic equation by using the technique indicated to locate the zeros. You must use the indicated technique. And you must show all your work. Don't skip steps. And please do this on your own. Be honest. You know, honesty is doing the right thing even when no one's looking. I want you guys to really give me your work. And remember, there is a due date for all of this. May 28, which is a Thursday at 4 p.m. That is the last second I will accept anything. That's it. And if you try to turn something in, there is a time that's noted on everything. So if you turn it in at 4:01, I'm not looking at it. So 4 o'clock. So I would get all of this stuff in early, so then you don't have to worry about it. And then I'm going to be posting tentative grades on Friday, May 29. And then that gives us the last week of school to have those important grade discussions. So we can Zoom, we can talk on the phone, either which one. You can call my in-class phone. I'm sitting in my class right now, and I have all phone calls from my phone sent to my cell phone. So, and the phone number here is 949-364-6100, and my link or my extension is 12915. Again, Teresa Miller. The phone number for Capo is 949-364-6100, and my extension is 12915. So if you called that, it would be sent to my cell phone. I have it forwarded for the summer, well, at least for now. So if you would like to talk about grades, that's fine as well. Okay? Thanks. Good luck on your Chapter 9 test. Take it seriously. Do your own work, but it is open note if you would like that, and you can use a calculator, of course. Okay, great. Good luck, guys.